Today guys, my dessert tonight is this ice cream from Ate Lala. Sarap. Gusto mo? Tapos ang ulam namin sinigang na baboy.
Huwag kayo kakain ng ice cream na wala pang kanin.
Huwag kakain kayo ice cream and wala kanin. Ay, kumakain kayo pa rice and may ulam. Para hindi masakit yung tiyan. Sumakit yung tiyan. Thank you.
That's it for today, guys. That's it for today, guys. Be careful, you don't eat like that. Cover your mouth. Don't eat like that.
That's for today guys. Bye-bye.